What's the name of the song?
My name's Hazel Ray
And
Cowley.
my glasses are there.
And I'm going to play my piano, and we're going to sing God is Good. God is so good instead. God is good. I'm going to sing it and then play it. Maybe I could play at the same time, and sing. But God is so good. God is so good. God is so good. He's so good to me. And after the song, everybody cheers and claps.
Oh,
Nice.
did you? Was that you singing or was that you reading?
After.
Oh, after.
I'll sing in the song.
Oh, gotcha. Okay.
Okay. Play it, girl.